The multi-purpose tool that comes with the Singer Featherweight C240 sewing machine is actually pretty amazing. Well, I'm going to show you 3 uses that we've done videos on, and if you click on the little eye up into the corner when it pops out, it will link over to each of these videos. So first off, we sewed over a denim seam. Now sometimes when you notice that when you go over something really thick, the foot doesn't points up, points down, it might make small stitches, it might make you want to push it through, and then you break a needle. This will actually help level out the foot when it's traveling over. And when that foot stays level, you get even stitching all the way across. So click over here to that video for the denim seam. Next, you can actually assist when you sew buttons on. If you have that underneath your button when you're sewing it in place, it will give you that little extra distance, that little shank of thread needed for that extra layer of fabric being buttoned into position. Now you do notice that this tool actually has 2 different thicknesses, a skinny side and a wider side. So if the denim seam is really thick, you can use the opposite end, or just again, normal 9 layers is fine with the smaller side. And the last thing we've used this tool for, you do see that it has a nice little hole in it, and when you need to take your needle out of the machine, you can just slide that right up on the needle, loosen the screw, it will catch it, but vice versa, when you go to slide it up and hold it in place so it's high enough to get in tightened, you will notice that there is a flat side on the back of that hole, so the needle won't spin. You will be able to keep the flat side facing the back of the machine so it goes in properly, and then you can make sure it gets high enough and tighten the screw properly, and then don't forget, check the height of your needle by using your needle threader to make sure you got it all the way up where it's supposed to be. So the multi-purpose tool, that is a tool I don't like to be without.